Hi everyone, this is Andy with Blungo.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to modify your sales pipeline in Zoho CRM. Let's start. Alright, I'm already in Zoho CRM, and as you can see up here, I have different stages in my sales pipeline. We start on a new deal, then move it to schedule estimate, estimate in process, contract, signed, and finally we close the deal. So the goal is to move each deal through this pipeline to increase our closing rate here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove stages, as well as how to change the name of the stages. So to do it, click here on the top right corner, and then go to Modules and Fields. In this new page, hover over the Deals module, and in this new menu that showed up, click on Stage Probability Mapping. In this new window, you can see the stages as well as the probability and more information. To add a new stage, just hover over any stage and then click on the plus button next to it. And a new line item has been added. Now type the name of the stage. Probability means what are the chances of you closing the deal on this particular stage. In this case, we already signed the proposal in the previous stage, meaning that the probability is 100%. This is used to do overcast and forecast of your sales. On forecast type, select a forecast type, in this case it's close one, and a category. To remove a stage, you can just hover over the stage and then click on the minus sign. In this confirmation message, just click on yes, remove. To change the name of a stage, just click on it and type the new name. Finally, click on Save. Now if we go back to our Deals view, we can see the changes that we just made. We changed the name of this stage, removed the one that was between these two, and added the paperwork stage. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.